You open a 75-page PDF, but all you need is 4 pages. And boom, it's locked, watermarked, and demands an upgrade. In this video, I'll show you 5 free Mac apps that split PDFs without watermarks, paywalls, or Adobe. Let's get into it. Let's start with what's already in your Mac. Preview isn't flashy, but when used right, it can split PDFs better than some paid apps. Here's how. Open your PDF in Preview. Click View, Thumbnails. Drag the pages you want from the left sidebar to your desktop. That's it, a brand new PDF, watermark free. You can even press Command and select multiple pages to split a whole batch. No downloads, no internet, no nonsense, but it's just the beginning. PDFsam sounds boring, but it's anything but. It's open source, completely free, and doesn't lock features behind a paywall. Here's what makes it special. You can split by page number, bookmarks, or even every 5 pages. It never touches your internet connection, fully offline, works on Intel and Apple Silicon. Here are the steps. Download PDFsam Basic from their official site. Open it, select Split, drop in your file. Choose how you want to split it, for example, page ranges or every n pages. Hit Run. It feels like you're using professional software without the price tag. If you work with large files often, this tool belongs on your Mac. You may have heard of Sejda Online, but did you know there's a Mac app too? Here's the deal. You can split PDFs offline up to 3 times per day for free. No watermarks. Interface is clean, beginner-friendly. Follow these steps. Download Sejda PDF Desktop. Open the app. Choose Split. Add your PDF and pick the pages to keep. Click Split and save the result. Here's why it matters. Sejda gives you pro-level features without needing pro-level skills. You get precise control without any Adobe drama. Sometimes you just want something quick, no installs, no learning curves. iLovePDF is the online tool that actually delivers. But most people make a mistake when using it. They upload a file, split it, then leave without adjusting the settings that make it powerful. Here's how to use it right. Visit iLovePDF.com, upload your file, click the pages you need, it's split PDF. Download your clean file. Here's the catch. Never use this for sensitive files. It's fast, but it runs on the cloud. Use it for school notes, receipts, or user manuals, not ID cards or contracts. Still, it's lightning fast, and it works great from Safari or Chrome. You've probably never heard of this one. PDFgear is a free Mac app with no hidden charges and no watermark branding. What makes it stand out? You can split, merge, compress, and convert, all from one dashboard. Drag and drop interface is smooth, feels like a paid app, works like a charm. Follow these steps, download PDFgear from their site, launch it, and click Split PDF. add your file, select page ranges, hit split, and export your result. You don't even need an account. This is the one I recommend to people who ask me for an Adobe alternative that doesn't ask me for money every 5 minutes. Here's a quick cheat sheet. Use Preview if you just need a quick split. Use PDFsam if you handle large files often. Use Sejda if you want more control without installing bloated software. Use iLovePDF if you want speed over security. Use PDFgear if you want an all-rounder without the noise. Here's the challenge. Pick one of these tools, try it today, and then comment below with one word, Splitmaster. That tells me you watched till the end, and it tells you that you've officially upgraded your PDF Go on Go. Split your first file. Then come back and let me know which tool earned a permanent spot on your Mac.